Hi everyone, welcome to another video in Overleaf series. So today we are going to learn how to add the reviews or comments on any research paper. Normally we do reviews and criticize on research in research paper in MS Word. Today I will guide you how to do it in Overleaf. So I have opened one sample paper, Data Analytics and Business Intelligence. It's already open in Overleaf. There are three sections you can see in Overleaf open document. One is menu section. The middle one is like a edit section or visual editor section. Third one is compiler section. So first we need to go inside the text or editor section where you want to give a review or any comments. For example, I want to give a comment here that a reference is missing here, for example. How would I do it? First thing is to comment is very easy. Reference is missing. This comment will not read by the compiler, but what we can do, we can add a note, for example, highlight the things. For example, from here, for whole of this, we select where we want to write a comment, and then it will ask you add comments here. You can see add comments, and I can say that reference is missing. Yeah. Also, please check grammar for the paragraph and just put my comment here. So you can see it is already highlighted with the yellow color, and if the students or the editor or the first author can see the reviews from the supervisor. So he can reply, or it can be like edit, and then it can be say resolve comments. So I can say, for example, already provided, and it might be resolved. So it can be disappear. So you can add anywhere. For example, I say, what are the 8 comments? Please mention the components. What are what are they? And put my comments here. You can see what are the key components. So thank you very much.